So guys, I'm out camping with the kids and we thought we might put something quick and simple together. Now I've already had the kids chop up a few things for me, so we're gonna do some sausage rolls. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy. All I'm gonna do, a little bit of oil in a pan and all the stuff that the kids chopped before, we're just gonna pop that into the pan, saute that off. So what we have here is we've got some onion and then we've got some celery as well. So that's been chopped up really, really finely, and a little bit of garlic. So we've probably got about 3 cloves in here. That's going to go into the pan as well. I'm going to give that a stir. Normally you would actually put a little bit of bacon in with this. Now we have some bacon mince. Bacon mince is basically just minced up bacon. You can put it in everything. Spaghetti bolognese, put it into pies, all sorts of things. Now all this stuff comes cryovac, which is amazing for camping. So we're going to pop this into here, stir that around, and then not far from getting the kids down to give me a hand again. All right, now while that's cooking, I'm just gonna grab the puff pastry out of the fridge so it can defrost a little bit and be a bit softer for the guys when they're actually rolling up their sausage rolls. That is pretty much done. Now what I need to do is cool that down before we go putting our hands in there, especially with the kids. So I'm just gonna pop it all into this bowl here. Now while that's cooling, I'm just gonna put the Weber on, preheat that, and just to make it a little bit easier, I'm just gonna pop some of these sheets out just so that they sort of defrost a little bit more. It's not exactly warm here. I probably should have got them out a little bit earlier. Do you guys want to come down and help me with the sausage rolls? Yes? Alrighty. All right, so put a little bit of salt and pepper in there. Hallie, your turn. Beautiful. You just keep putting that in. All right, now we're also going to put in some meat here. So we've got some beef mince.
What farm is that from?
What farm is this one from? Now, the really cool thing about this is on the front of these, they all have the farmer's name, and the kids love knowing where their meat has come from. So this one has actually come from a farm, Dave and Bianca's farm. So now comes down to the fun part. You ready? You've been waiting for this, Harry, haven't you? You know what's coming, don't you? Just put your hands in and go for it, mate. So try and get it all in. All right, that looks good, Harry. Hallie, do you want to have a go of that? Hoya! Yeah! Good work. Alrighty, so what we're going to do now is basically just put the egg wash on one side so that when we actually fold it over, it all sticks lovely and nice. Once we've done the wash on that one side, we're then just going to put the mixture in the middle, roll it up, and put 3 little cuts in it, and we've got 3 perfect little sausage rolls for the guys to have for lunch. So now we're just going to put some foil over the top, so it's pretty much just like an oven. And then we're going to put that in the Weber, which Leash will do. Close that up. You guys can go and play with maybe Dash or something, and I'll let you know when they're ready. Woo, 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 look at that. Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. That is a quick, simple and easy treat that you can do out camping with the kids. Doesn't take a lot of time. They are going to enjoy it, which is probably more important than anything else. All right, I think it's time for us to tuck in, yeah?